Namaste everyone, I hope that you are fine, that you have begun this week at a beautiful note. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the energy of the tarot for this week. But before I begin the video, let me introduce myself. I'm Ruhi Ahluwalia, a coach and a therapist. I help people in the domain of health, finances, relationship, and their love life to overcome challenges and reach their best potential. So let's begin what the tarot has to guide us for this week. So to begin with, we have this beautiful card that tells us that this week is going to be very dynamic and we really have to match with that energy. So if you're too slow, if you're too lazy, pull up your socks this week because this week requires you to be active. It's also possible that some people will travel a lot this weekend because I see a lot of people moving from one place to another. There's a lot of energy moving out there and you have to match with that energy. As far as the professional life is concerned, we've got these two cards that tell us that some people might be reflecting upon starting new activities, and I see that you may not have all your answers right now. If you want clarity on something, please introspect. That means go within, ask yourself the right questions to get the right answers, or you may consult some therapist or a tarot reader, anyone who you feel like to give you some direction. Why? Because I see that you'll have a lot of tools, skills to be able to offer to your clients, to others, but you are hesitating because you really don't know what exactly is that you're going to offer, or if you offer that, would it really work in the long term? So try and get answers to all those questions and then you can pass into the action mode. As far as the finances are concerned, we've got these two cards that tell me that this week you will have all the strength to generate finances in your life, attract, but for some reason or other, it is possible, just a possibility, that some finances may be stuck. For example, a long-term long pending payment that has not really come to your account, or some delayed payments or delayed things. Some blockage can happen, but do not hesitate. This is just a passage. Don't get demoralized. Just let it go. Keep working on your efforts, like keep putting on your efforts to generate, attract finances, and you will see that in the long term all your efforts will be paid. As far as the relationships are concerned, we've got these two cards that tell us that this week relationships are going to have highs and lows. I see a lot of changes happening in relationship. Some breakups can happen. A lot of changes, transformation is going to happen this week in your relationships. So try and stay very cool, try and stay very calm. This week is not probably the best week to put all your energy into the relationships. Try and balance your energy with fitness, with some exercise, meditation, so that all that is going to help you to ground, to stay calm, to take better and even best decisions in your life. As far as the health is concerned, we've got these two cards that tell me that physical health looks great, stable, but what you have to really take care of this week is your mental health, because I see a lot of people going into that thinking mode. I'm not good enough, I'm not good, my life is not good, I'm feeling depressed, I don't know why I don't feel good. All those thoughts you really have to work on this week, because now that you know the message for the week in advance, try and plan your week in a way where you don't have time to reflect on these thoughts and you're doing something very creative. Try do things that make you feel good. Try do things and be with people that make you feel wanted, desired, or good enough. And don't hang out with people, don't do things that will really pull you down. As far as the message of the tarot is concerned for the week, we've got this beautiful card that tells us that by the end of the week, everything will settle down. I see people signing some important deals, contracts this week, so that everything is harmonized. So I wish you a very beautiful week. Lots of love. If you like the video, please hit on the like button, share this video with at least 3 people that you know to guide, inspire others, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue to receive further notifications. Until then, I wish you a lovely week.